Hi kids, my name is Nicole Miyuki and this is Let's Make Art, and you are here for a fun project that we're going to do today. And I have some special guests with me. I have Tessa. Tessa, how old are you?
8.
You're 8, and I have Ella, and you're 8 too. And I have Keenan in the back. If you hear his voice, he's going to be guiding me. But I'm so excited. Actually, I realized I don't have the project out. We are doing this fun, hands-on project. Yeah.
Hands.
All hands in?
No. Now I'm just reminding you because you forget every time.
Oh, okay.
Good reminder.
We'll do the supplies, and then she's reminding me to do the motto.
Nice.
So the supplies that you should have out is you'll have your watercolor paper, then where's our brushes? Right here. There are 3 different watercolors that we're going to be using. We're going to be using magenta, blue, this one's called Tahoe blue, and then deep yellow. So have those out. You'll just need a few squirts on your palette. Then there are 3 different crayons. Thank you. We have a red crayon.
I'm going to do the blue crayon.
And then you do the yellow.
And
And the yellow crayon. So we're going to be using those colors. And what's the other part that we're using?
hands.
Hands. That's our other
hands.
choice.
No. Hands.
Okay. We're going to do that. We're going to show them how to do that.
Good.
That's okay. We're going to do that. Okay.
My fingers are
So we have our blank piece of paper. Okay, so Tessa is going to go first. So this project you can either do if you have other people that you want to do this with, or you can do it with your own hand. Tessa's going to start. Oh my goodness, I forget all the time. I already forgot.
That's all right.
So I have you all to remind me. Okay, so if you have your zine, you can open it up. I just wanted to show you, we have a new kids motto that we're doing. So if everyone can raise their right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am creative.
I am creative.
Let's do this. Boom! So that's our motto that we like to start out with, to all get on the same page together and create. So now, okay, you're gonna start. Can you place your either right or left hand? You can choose which one. Do you want to trace for her, or do you want to?
Wait, I'll do
Okay.
this one.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one hand out and you're gonna trace. So you put that hand out and you're gonna trace around it. So she's just using the red crayon, so she's gonna start with that, and she's gonna outline her hand. Does that tickle?
Yeah, a little. I guess it kind of got out.
It's okay. Doesn't need to be perfect. We're just tracing your hand. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Your turn.
Now,
got some
Ella's
gaps.
turn. So when you're doing this, what we want to do is I would like you to overlap a few fingers. You want to do a little bit more so we can see the purple? Yeah.
Yeah.
So she's going to overlap a few fingers. And tracing, she's using the blue crayon. Nice. So these 3 colors are the same 3 colors that you have in your watercolors. Ooh.
You got stuck.
Nice. Okay, so you can see that she overlapped a few fingers. So then I'm going to do my hand.
They look like fingernails.
They do. And so I'm going to do the yellow hand, but I'm going to make sure that I'm overlapping both Tessa's hand and Ella's hand. My hand is a lot bigger than your guys's.
We should throw my hand on there.
You can do a 4th hand. You have 4 people in your family. Trying to figure out how to. Okay, mine's just going to be a little off. So I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm outlining my hand. So again, if you were doing this by yourself, you can do this with your own hand. You can do 3 of your hand. Boom. Oh, so cute. Okay.
Fingers are everywhere.
Our hands are everywhere. Now, I would like you, Tessa, you're going to start first. You're going to take the watercolors, and you're going to use the magenta color, and I would like you to paint your whole hand. And so to do, let's see. To do watercolors, let's Oh yeah, good job. So make sure you have a clean brush.
Okay, that's better.
Yeah. And she's gonna dip into the water and pick up a little bit of watercolors. And then she's gonna paint inside. You can paint your entire hand. Yeah, so watercolors are really pretty. She's just kind of painting it around. So pretty.
Water.
Yeah, and if she was adding some water, if it gets a little bit light, then you're on blue after. So if you have our zine, you will see that on one of the pages there's a color wheel. So this is another thing that we're going to be going through, or that's part of this lesson. So in this, if you also want to make your own color wheel at the same time, you can as well. So you'll see that we have the 3 colors that we're starting with, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make the other colors. So these are called the secondary colors. So we're starting with the 3 primary colors, and then we're going to make the secondary colors. Now, yeah.
I mean, unicorn.
You're cute. I love it. I am going to, let's see. Yes.
If you were a unicorn, what would your name be? That's probably the most accurate answer.
Yep.
I don't think unicorns speak English.
Nope.
Good job.
So much. I'm gonna bring some over here.
Yes.
Bring some over here. Some water. And then cool it down.
Cool it down. I like that.
And spread it all over the place. There.
Good job.
Nice. Good hand.
Okay, now Ella's turn, and she's going to use blue. Do you want me to put it over here? So she's going to paint her whole hand as well.
Do you want to push the paper up a little bit?
Yeah.
Can we do decorations on her hands like rings and
Mhm.
bracelets?
We can definitely do that after, once it dries. So she's going to take the blue watercolors and paint her whole hand. Okay, so now you will see that she hadn't quite gone over the magenta part yet, but she's going to do that right now. And yeah, keep using blue because her pan's blue. Now you can see that's what color is it changing to?
Purple.
Yeah. So when
pretty.
when blue and magenta overlap, they become purple.
I need to paint. Actually, kind of like violet.
Yes. it
Dark
is. Yes,
violet.
violet. Yeah, violet's another word for purple. It's very good.
Make it dry faster.
Ooh, paper towels make cool textures.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Can I twist it for a second?
Did you see that part yet? Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the yellow. It's okay if it's wet. It's okay. Do you not want it wet?
I want it to dry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ooh, yeah.
Taking it off a little bit.
Wow.
That's
Okay.
better.
Now, so I'm going to paint this yellow. I'm going to do the same thing, paint my whole hand. Do you mind getting me a little bit more, or is the yellow?
Yeah, we can get you a bit more. Or you could just take off the ones that look darker
like
and then move it over there.
Good idea.
And then-
Spread it around.
Yeah. You can soak it
Thank
up
you.
and put it somewhere far away. Makes it
Good idea.
better.
Okay, so now I'm going to overlap my yellow
Because it's pink.
over Ella's blue hand.
No.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We have watercolors all over us.
I don't really have that many watercolor things.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what color did we get, girls?
We got green.
We got green.
Green.
So blue and yellow make it green.
Yeah, green. Oh no. This green is falling on me.
Then when I mix magenta over, or mix the yellow over magenta, what color am I getting at?
You're gonna get orange.
Yeah. So magenta and yellow make orange. So when we overlap, so this is like we're touching hands and we're making a whole new color. It's making a really pretty orange. And then when the three of us intersect, it's gonna kind of make a mixture. It's like a brown. We have a little piece.
Little piece of brown.
Piece of brown.
Yeah, do you see that little piece?
I'll make
Yeah.
a sign here.
Okay, so now that we did that, that was just fun to show that you can make so many different colors just with this. Now, the girls are going to decorate. So you can now decorate your hands if you want to add rings. Do you want to decorate yours?
I want to draw a bracelet.
I want to write my name on my thumb.
bracelet because I don't have it on.
Oh,
Did I write my
that's okay.
name
You can
on my
draw. You
thumb?
can still draw it abroad.
I'm gonna make purple because I have a purple string.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna make a little space if we have another color.
We can do that.
Tessie, you could also do this.
Do you want
I can
to?
use some more purple.
You could also.
Do you want to
write
add
your name
blue
on your
on top so you can make a purple bracelet?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
let me
could
get you a little
also
bit of
write
blue.
your name on your thumb.
Yeah, you can draw your name on it. Okay, there's a little bit. Okay, and then so you can either use crayons like Ella was using, or you can use your watercolors. We are going to decorate. Do you want to do the background too when it
Can you
dries?
decorate yours?
I'll do it after you guys. So then you can have fun doing that.
Oh. That's
Oh!
a pretty color.
Good job!
This
See how
is
that made
very
purple
good.
because you overlapped blue?
I'm gonna make it kind of curved so that it looks like it's actually going around.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Eh.
Do you want other color crayons too?
Oh, can you please stop moving the paper?
Oh, oh.
Sorry, guys.
That was really polite of you.
Okay, I'm
You
gonna-
guys are so kind. Okay, I'll hold it for you.
Yeah, I'll put some.
You making stripes?
I'm gonna put yellow heart. Oh my! It goes here. Look, it makes different colors.
That's
Those
pretty.
stripes make it look like there's a background. That's cool. Like you guys are covering something.
Oh, I'm using all the colors, so that makes kind of like a
Yeah, our
Yeah,
table's
that's
super
cool.
messy, so we're like, this picture has to be
You
covered.
got to picture that. You got to cover the picture.
Good job.
We should also do some designs between the lines. What if we did that?
Ooh, that's a good idea. Okay, so we just finished. Both of the girls decorated their hands. You see that they decorated the background. They're adding a fun pattern to the back. You can make this your own. This is such a fun project that you can do with your family, you can do with your friends, and see how the colors mixed. I think I'm gonna just say this part. We also have a color wheel lesson that you can go through as well if you'd like to make your own color wheel. So I just want to show that really quickly. And that's it. We hope you had so much fun. And we have a Facebook group that we made just for you. So we'd love to have you post what you created, because that's what this is all about, is sharing what you make and encouraging your friends to create along with you. So thank you both for being on with me, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Nicole.